You need to watch this if you struggle with boring keto meals. We're transforming your dishes with these must-try sauces. When it comes to keto, finding flavorful sauces that fit your diet can be tough. But don't worry, I've got your back. First up, creamy garlic Alfredo. Perfect for pasta lovers who want to keep their carbs in check. And guess what? It's super easy to make at home. Next, a zesty chimichurri sauce. Ideal for topping grilled meats or veggies. Bursting with flavor and ready in minutes. Love spicy? Our buffalo sauce recipe is a winner. Perfect for dressing up keto wings or tenders. Trust me, you'll want to put this on everything. And for a curveball sweet and savory combined in one unique sauce. This one's a total game changer and surprisingly easy to whip up. From creamy to spicy, these sauces will transform your meals. Eating keto doesn't have to be boring. Enjoyed these ideas? Check out my other videos for more keto recipes and let me know in the comments which sauce you're excited to try. Let's keep our keto journey flavorful and fun.